Hi, I'm Andrew Dobbins, Vice President of Manufacturing at Caster Concepts. I want to talk about on-time delivery and why it's important to everyone at Caster Concepts. We believe that on-time delivery is the most important commitment that we can make to our customers. And this is why the entire team at Caster Concepts is dedicated to on-time delivery and industry-leading lead times. There are many reasons why we can accomplish this. For one, our vertically integrated manufacturing process allows for speed and flexibility. We laser cut, form, weld, machine, and assemble casters as orders are placed. This allows us to provide standard and custom product with no impact to lead time. Coupled with Reaction Industries, our in-house polyurethane operation and their knowledge allows us to ensure the highest quality urethane processing, eliminating outsourcing delays for standard and custom products. In addition, Caster Concepts invests thousands of hours dedicated to quality assurance and production process improvements, focused on the quick response manufacturing philosophy to consistently provide 98% plus on-time delivery rates. Our equipment and processes are operated by our highly skilled employees whose extensive knowledge of the Caster Concepts manufacturing process brings even greater efficiencies. Our commitment to the customer is 100% on-time delivery, and it takes everyone at Caster Concepts to make that happen, to deliver on our on-time commitment. We understand your need for on-time delivery. I'm Andrew Dobbins, Vice President of Manufacturing at Caster Concepts, and that's why on-time delivery is important to us.